Alright, so this is like the second part of the video I just made on how to set up a simple portable, rather cheap or inexpensive karaoke system that sounds very good. So the next step would be getting a sound effects processor. This, just like this, is a Behringer. Alright, and this is what they call the Mini Fex. I don't know if they still sell it, but if you can get this or something similar, this cost about $70 when I bought it, and it has different presets. Okay, it has this is the reverb. It has Cathedral Concert Club chamber, and then it has delay, chorus. It has a mix of delay and reverb, chorus and reverb. So it has, let's see, 16 presets there, which you set here. Okay, this is where you change the parameters, how much effect it's going to have. This is the volume level or the input level. This is mix, balance, reverb versus voice. And this is the output level. And that's your on button. But anyways, the way you connect an effects monitor to, or an effects processor to the Behringer mixer. All right, you're going to look at your input for your effects processor, and that's going to be a mono lead. It's just going to be one lead. So the FX send, I'm going to connect it to the input on the FX processor. And then this is the return. It says stereo auxiliary return. So that's going to be the output from the sound processor. And you're going to set it here. Okay. How much of the how much sound processing is going to control here from minimum to maximum? What I'll do is I'll take since the music usually already has sound processing, reverb, and echo and that kind of thing. By the way, this was echo that I was showing you there. That says Cathedral, Club, etc. I'll leave that down at 0, and then I'll come and I'll set however much processing I want for the microphone, for the voice. Okay, so different processors will work different ways, but basically that's the way that it's going to be set up on pretty much any, at least as far as the mixer goes. That's the way it's set up. Now if you really want to go big, now you have, from my other video I showed you how to set it up and all that kind of thing. So once you bring it home, you can just unplug this thing, right? And you can connect it to any input, RCA input. What I do is, nobody uses CDs anymore, so I put it on the CD input of my home stereo. I just hook it up to the amplifier right there, to the CD, put it on CD, turn my speakers, subwoofer on, put it on the mic stand, and then at home it sounds amazing. So if you have any questions, thanks for watching. Just write them down.